Let's get into it. We have a unique one, 1953 Ford F100 panel truck. This one is going to be listed as a project, but she has great potential. She has the Chevy 454 cubic inch 7.4 liter V8 backed by the Turbo 400. She can use floor pans, but she'll be a great father and son or family project with a small business. You can get your company name or your logo airbrushed or hand painted on the side, and she can be a rolling billboard. She has the nostalgia factor. You put a little bit of work into it, and you can load up your products in the back and go from event to event. And she's gonna turn heads. Just think your company name or your logo or your brand. Airbrush right here on the side. It'd be pretty awesome. If she was mine, she had gotta have a fuel injected big block, or I'd do something like a Coyote swap. Make her nice and reliable. Can you see your company name or your brand on the side? She still has the original wood paneling in the back. Not much going on in the interior. She need a floor pan. But other than that, throw you some nice TMI seats in here. And you'll be good to go. See, she has potential. And there she is, the big block 454 cubic inch 7.4 liter V8. She got power brakes, power steering,